In this video, we are going to talk about a very important part of programming, that is input and output. Input and output are how your programs communicate with the outside world. Input means getting data from a user or from a file. Output means showing results to users or saving data somewhere. Let's start with the output since it's a bit simpler. Output in Java. In Java, we often use the system.out object for output. The most common method is system.out.println hello world. This prints text to the screen and moves the cursor to the new line. So the output would look like hello world. If you don't want a new line, use system.out.print. System.out.print hello. System.out.print world. This prints everything on the same line hello world. If you want formatted output, you can use system.out.printf. For example, int age is equal to 25. System.out.printf I am modulus d years old, age. This would print I am 25 years old. This percentage %d is a placeholder for an integer. Other placeholders include percentage %s for strings, percentage %f for floating point numbers. You can also format decimals like double price is equal to 19.99. System.out.printf price colon dollar percentage 0.2f. This prints price $19.99. Now let's talk about input, getting information from the user. The most common way for beginners is using scanner class. Using scanner. First you need to import scanner from the java.util package. Import java.util.scanner. Creating a scanner object. This tells Java you want to read input from the keyboard. Reading a string. Here is how to read a line of text. System.out.print, enter your name. String name is equal to scanner.nextLine. System.out.println hello plus name plus exclamatory. If you type Sumaya, the program prints hello Sumaya. Reading an integer. To read a number, system.out.print, enter your age. Int age is equal to scanner.nextLn. System.out.println you are plus age plus years old. If you type 25, the output will be you are 25 years old. Important note about mixing input types. If you read a number and then want to read text afterward, you need to clear out the leftover new line character. For example, system.out.print, enter your age. Int age is equal to scanner.nextInt. Scanner.nextLine. This clears the new line. System.out.print, enter your city. String city is equal to scanner.nextLine. System.out.println you live in a plus city. Without scanner.nextLine, the second input might be skipped. When you are done, it's good practice to close your scanner. Scanner.close. Input and output with files. Besides reading from the keyboard or printing to the screen, Java can also read from and write to files. Let's look at quick example writing to a file. Example using FileWriter. Import java.io.filewriter. Import java.io.io exception. Public class write to file. Public static void main string args. Try. This code writes hello file into a text file named output.txt. This code reads each line of the file and prints to the console. So why is all this important? Input lets your program to be interactive. Output shows the result to the user. File input and output help your program to save data between runs. Without input and output, our programs would just run silently and do nothing visible. Let's quickly recap. Use system.out.println, print and printf for output. Use the scanner class for user input. Always close your scanner when you are finished. Java can also read and write files for more advanced input and output. Practice writing small programs that ask users questions and display answers. That's the best way to learn. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.